Hello everyone and welcome to Gigi's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making pan-seared New York strip steak. So the first step would be to pat dry the steak to get rid of any extra moisture. As I said, I'm using a New York strip steak here, but honestly you can use any kind of cut you have on hand. Here we have kosher salt, freshly ground pepper, 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, 4 garlic cloves. It's not necessary to peel them. And I have fresh rosemary and fresh thyme. Now we're going to start seasoning the steak. Personally, I like to be really generous with my salt and pepper, but you can adjust it to taste. Now I'm going to press on the steak to help the seasoning stick to it. I'll flip around and then repeat the same exact thing. While we were prepping, we had the skillet heating on medium-high heat without oil to avoid it from smoking. And now we're going to be adding a little bit of olive oil before we add the steak. First, we are going to start off by rendering the fat for about 30 seconds before laying it flat on the skillet. This step allows us to cook the meat in its own fat and it makes it more flavorful. Now we render this other part. As we are laying it down, we're going to do it away from us to avoid any splatter, and we'll cook it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, now it's time to turn it over. And as you can see, a really nice crust has formed on it. So after the steak has been cooking for about 1 minute, we're going to start basting. We're adding our butter, 2 garlic cloves, our stem of rosemary, and of course thyme. Now we're going to tilt the pan towards us and start basting the steak with this really nice flavorful butter. After taking our steak out, we're gonna let it rest covered for about 10 minutes, and it's going to continue cooking as it rests. The temperature now is about 128, but it's gonna keep going up, and we're aiming for about 135 to 144 medium. Now our steak is ready to serve. As you can see, there is a really nice pink layer inside it. It's a great medium. Today I am serving it with some rosemary potatoes that I'm going to share with you on another video. If you liked today's video, please like and subscribe for more. Enjoy!